Here we will create a window application to create OleDb connection with Access through C#. For this, first we will open the Solution Explorer window and we will add new form and we will name it as FRM OleDb Connection. First we will add a panel and we will add a label on it, and through property window we will make auto size false for this label. Then we will set the properties for font, colors, making connection with Access through OleDb connection. And we will add one button through which we are going to make the connection to Access. First we will name it as btn set connection, and with text property we will write connection to Access. For this, first we will create Access database. We will add blank database. We will set the path for the database to store as login and we will create it. Here we will create one table login with field username and password and we will save it. Now we will make the connection with this login database. So we will click on the button. To make the OleDb connection, first we have to use the namespace system.data.oledb. So using system.data.oledb, and then we will define one string for storing the connection string. So private static string my connection equal to make the connection we need provider. So first we will define provider as the provider for the access is depend on the database type, that is the extension for the database is .mdb or .accdb. Since the database is 2007, the extension for the database is accdb. So we will write the provider as microsoft.ace.oledb.12.0, which is a provider for .accdb file. Then we will give data source equal to, here we will give path for the database. For this we will open the file explorer. We will move to the folder and we will copy this path and we will paste it. You can change this slash or you can use @ symbol at the start. Then we will give again slash and we will name the file as login.accdb. To check the extension, we can right click here on the database and with properties we can check the extension for the file as .accdb. Then we will create object for the OleDb connection. So public OleDb connection. We will name the object name as connection equal to new OleDb connection. For the connection string my connection, which will make the OleDb connection to the Access database. We can directly make the connection.open method here, but if the connection is already open, it will give error. So I will write on method public void set connection, and inside the method we will check if connection.state equal to connection state dot closed. If it is true, we will make connection.open and we will give the message box connection is open. And on the click event of this button, we will call this method set connection. To execute this form, open the program.cs file and with application.run, we will call this file FRM OleDb connection. Then we execute this. I will click on this connection to Access. It will give the message connection open. That is, connection is established with this file login.accdb through OleDb connection. Here first we have defined a string my connection in which we have given the provider for access with extension .accdb, that is microsoft.ace.oledb.12.0. If we are using .mdb here, we will use here microsoft.jet.oledb.4.0. Then we have created object for the OleDb connection class as connection, and we have written a method set connection in which first we will check whether connection is closed or not, and if it is closed we will open it and we will show a message box with connection open.